But how do you choose a domain name? People often ask me this question, Faith, how do I pick a domain name for my online store? I want to build an e-commerce website for my products, but I don't know how to pick a domain. Here are a few things you have to put in mind before you purchase a domain for your online store. Number one is that you have to know the kind of product you're selling. All right. Number two is that you need to define the type of e-commerce website you want to build. Are you building a niche store or are you building a general store? For instance, let's say you're selling shoes, all right, but you're not selling every shoe in the market. You are selling specifically sneakers, all right, and you know that sneakers is a sub niche in a shoe niche, and shoe is also a sub niche in a fashion niche. All right, so these are things you should understand. Okay, let's say you sell only sneakers. You can decide to say, since I'm selling only sneakers, I don't want to sell any other shoe on that website apart from sneakers. So you can give your store sneakers.com. You can give it sneakerspalace.com, sneakersempire.com. You know, it's just a niche store that deals specifically on sneakers. Is it sneakers or nothing? All right, you can also have a niche store that deals on shoes only. You can say Shoe Hub, Shoe Empire. You are selling only shoes. You are not selling any other fashion accessory on that particular website. It's also a niche store. You can also have a fashion brand that sells only fashion items or fashion accessories, and you can give it Fashion Hub. All right, in that particular niche, you are selling only fashion accessories. Is that you are selling both shoes, jewelries, clothing, perfumes, and all that. Anything that relates to fashion, that's what you sell on that particular website. You can't sell any other thing apart from fashion items. It's also a niche store. But how about you are selling everything? You are a general merchant, all right? You are selling shoes, you are selling bags, you are selling tomatoes, you are selling cosmetics, you are selling beauty products. How do you handle all of these when choosing a domain name? That is where a general store comes in. All right, just like you have Gigi.com, it's a general online store. All right, Jumia also is a general online store. You see AliExpress, they are also general e-commerce website. All right, so they sell different items. In that case, you need to choose a general name. It's not going to be niche specific. It's going to be either your name or a combination of something. And that is where you can use AI to actually brainstorm ideas. Just explain to AI what you're selling. AI like ChatGPT will also help you brainstorm ideas. All right, so these are little things people ignore, but at the end of the day, it affects your store. Imagine when you pick a niche store that you're selling only sneakers and you give your website sneakers.com. At the end of the day, you want to sell bags. It doesn't fit in. All right, so you have to purchase another domain name to, you know, incorporate that. So before you choose a domain name, please, first of all, carefully define your business. If possible, write a business plan that this is what you're going to sell, and you are sure you're not going to sell any other thing apart from that particular one. All right, so instead of you to make that mistake, you can choose a general store. All right, you can just pick a general store, give it Faith Store, Divas Shop, Divas Store, ellasshop.com. all right, so that way you can sell anything on that website. Even in future, if you want to expand into other products, you can sell them without having to change your domain. I don't know if this helps you, but if it does, you're welcome.